Everyone, welcome to the crypto trade of the week, the altcoin of the day, as you wish, and it's Fetch.AI. I would like to put it in spotlight, and it is ranked number 149 with a market cap of more or less $51.6 million. It's within the top 150, and Fetch.io is an open access tokenized decentralized machine learning network which enables smart infrastructure built around a decentralized digital economy. And I would like to refer you to the website Fetch.AI. And the nice thing is that with Coinmerce and also Binance, I guess, you can also trade the coin. I'd like to take a look which markets are available. Yeah, Binance, of course, FET in USDT and also in other Volturi, Qcoin as well, and Hotbit. But if you take a look at the market, yeah, you can see there's 50% retracement from the peak of 17th of August. And if we dive into the daily chart with the trade navigator, still under pressure. However, there is a kind of support level being tested around 6 cents, and the daily chart is not clear yet, the buy signals, but we have to take a look for a little bit a lower time frame, and also still under pressure. But if you'd like to take a small gamble, you can do that with a tight stop loss, of course, below 5 cents. And would like to jump a little bit in front of the train, of course, preferably into the wagon, but Fetch.ai can be a very nice runner-up for the short term towards 12 or 16 cents. And I'm doubting if we see the high of August soon, but 12 cents must be in the cards. And would like to take a look with Coinmerce. It's very easy to buy some coins. You see it's 5 euro cents more or less. And for 900 first batch 900 coins, you can pay with Coinmerce coins, but also with, for instance, Ideal. It's very easy to do that. Only 30 cents. It's for the fees, transaction fees. And if you wish, you can also transfer those to Binance, or if you are trading on Binance already, you can Binance account, open that with the charts as well. Let's take a look how it works. It's very easy. Within a few seconds, you can will be processed soon. Here it is. Normally, it's being booked directly. 900 coins. Here it is. Successful. You can take a look at the wallet, and if it's already processed, you can take a look here. 900. Okay, Bancor is a little bit under pressure still, and Civic as well. But if you wish, you can also transfer the fetch to other exchanges. But the thing is that there's a withdrawal fee. It's not too cheap. It's 50, more or less 60. So it's 3 euros. And so I would prefer to leave them on the exchange. So if you are looking for more information, feel free to go to cryptoacademy.nl, and also on YouTube channel you can find more information. I wish you a very pleasant weekend. Hasta la vista. Bye.